What if I told you the clothes you would never use can pay you back money? Hi, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Siri, and you're watching That Style Girl Era. Yes, real cash, not coins, not credits. Honestly, not scam. I'm talking about actual money that you can withdraw into your bank account. Stick with me. Today, I'm breaking down an app that has helped over 10 lakh users across 500 plus cities in India sell their used stuff. The best part, it's ridiculously so easy to sell on this app. So, without any further delay, let's get into it. So, the app is called FreeUp and it's available on both Play Store as well as App Store. If you want, I've put the link in the description box and you can check out there. And if you use my link to download or use my code at sign up, you get 300 free points plus 30 rupees off on your first order. This app has also got 4.5-star rating on Play Store. It has across 10 lakh plus users. It's one of India's most trusted thrifting app, so it's not a scam. From listing the items to selling, delivery, customer support, everything was so smooth on this app. I'll also share my experience with you. So it's not just about selling, but also you're contributing so much to the environment by reducing waste or by reducing return products that just lie in some warehouse. The interface of this app is super clean and easy to understand. So you've got two main options, one as a buyer and another as a seller. Let's discuss about how you can buy products on this app. So you can buy thrifted items at very low prices, starting just at 99 or even less. So you can even buy combo items at discount prices. And the best part is you can find some very nice branded items too, like Zara, Nike, and so many other deals. Just go and check them out because it's amazing. And you can also use coins if you want to get items for free. So you'll be literally paying zero cash for that and you'll be using only coins. As I already said, if you install the app from my link, you get 300 coins for free and you can shop literally anything from that for free without paying single rupee. They also have this 99 rupees section where everything is just 99 rupees. And one more thing, there might be surprise delivery charges when you are about to check out. Many times, the delivery charges might be more than your product amount. The delivery charges varies from seller to seller depending on how the seller wants to provide you the product. But let's see how you can actually sell on this app. Tap on this button called sell and then you can add photos of your products. Make sure you take the photos of the product from different angles. Try to share literally everything about the product because you don't want returns from the customer after they place an order. After receiving the product, they may return if something is damaged and they don't know about it. Make sure you even share the damaged side of the product, especially for clothing. Take front and back pictures, sleeve pictures, size, wash and carry tag. If you have the price tag, take picture of that also. This app also provides a paid subscription where I think you should pay 49 rupees per month. I'll just put the screenshot on the screen. You can check that. By taking subscription, you get access to AI generated try on images. Whenever you list a product on your profile, the user gets to try that product on themselves and find out how it is going to look on them. So that's a very nice feature I felt, but that comes with a subscription. Step 3, add title and description. For title and description, they have built-in enabled AI feature which automatically generate text for your product. You can either use that or generate a title and description on your own using ChatGPT or any AI app, or you can add it manually as well. I prefer doing it using ChatGPT because it just fastens things up. Step 4, you need to fill all the details, including condition, whether you have used it many times or slightly used it or never used it before. So make sure you list this also because this helps user to decide whether they want to purchase the item or not. Especially if it is a new product and it is at low price, they're definitely going to purchase it from you. You can also add details like brand, material. Just add whatever information is available with you so that user gets idea of what exactly your product is made of and where you bought it, what brand it is. The final step, that is the 5th step, is to select mode of payment. There are only two options to receive amount in this app, that is using coins or using cash. Coins, they get credited into your wallet immediately after delivery. And if it is cash, it may take 2 to 3 days after the delivery. Coins you can only use within the app. You cannot use the coins outside the app. Whereas cash, you can use it for literally anything. Initially, the cash gets credited into your wallet. Later, you can withdraw into your bank account and use it for literally anything. It either give option to select COD, or you can just remove it in your settings. So the buyer will not be able to pay cash at the time of delivery. But providing COD to users builds a lot of trust. They are more likely to order your product. Talk about commission and what profit you're going to get and what the app is going to receive. App gets around 40 rupees commission per every order. It may slightly vary depending on your product price. For me, for most of the products, the app got 40 rupees commission. So I'll just put the screenshot of the total amount breakdown. You can see on the screen. If you are selling a product that is worth 100 rupees, then the app is going to take 40 rupees from that. That means you're going to get around 60 rupees per order. If you also want to pay for the delivery charges for your buyer's order, then you may be getting lesser profit from what you usually would without paying for these charges. You can always disable this when you're posting the product. So my suggestions, if you're a beginner on this app, is you can list products worth rupees 100, and you can also sell them for coins to get more trust from buyers, to get more buyers also. And whenever buyers place an order on your profile, make sure you ask them to leave a 5-star rating. It helps other buyers to discover you more. Make sure you accept orders through coins also. Provide them COD, provide them extra notes when you're delivering, like thanks for ordering. Make sure you leave a 5-star rating, and I hope you will like my stuff. Just leave a random cutesy note. There is a section called comments. You can easily contact your buyer and ask them to give you a 5-star rating. Ratings help a lot on this app because they help other buyers to discover you more and build trust. Don't receive the cash even after 2 to 3 days after delivery. You can contact the support team. The support team is also very good. They're very active. And try to communicate with your buyer or any user on your profile. If they have any queries or questions, try to respond to them immediately, and make sure you ship fast. So immediately after you get a notification to confirm your order, try to confirm the order within 24 hours. Changing the prices of your products. Initially, you can set the products price at 99 so that your profile gets recommended under the 99 section, and later you can change it to more price. Don't share OTP or password or anything related to the app with anyone. Nobody's going to ask for your OTP or password. So if someone is asking for OTP or passwords, it's definitely a scam and it's a red flag, so don't share it with anyone. There may be scams happening on this app also without you knowing. For example, the buyer may ask that they will pay you outside the app, that is on WhatsApp, Instagram or anything, but don't accept payments like that. You will have to only accept payments through FreeUp. They can contact you only within the app and not outside the app. So make sure you're very careful about it. You can also take videos and photos of your product before shipping. In case of disputes, you can use these references as proof. Make sure you're active, especially during weekends, because there are chances more people are going to use this app during weekends. And let's talk about what actually happens when an user places an order and what you will have to do. When a buyer orders an item from your profile, you get a notification to confirm the order. You enter the app and go click on profile, and here sold all the orders in this section, and you can either confirm the order or decline it. And within 2 to 3 days of confirming your order, delivery agent is going to come at your doorstep to pick your order. You can use any polythene bag or your old parcel bags, for example, which you have got from Amazon, Myntra. Sure, you pack with extra care by using bubble wraps and any other extra coverage for your product if the item is very fragile. And make sure to use a box if the item is like ceramic or something that can break very easily. Literally track your order. If it is shipped, you'll get a notification and you can see the status of your parcel. Or should you really trust and use FreeUp? I would definitely say yes, because my personal experience with this app was very good. From picking the order to delivery, everything was very nice and smooth. So I would also suggest you to use this as a side hustle, especially if you're a student or if you're a working professional. It just gives you a new transformation to your wardrobe or your things. There are so many products which I don't use anymore or which I never use, and I could never return that because I already got it and I don't even remember where I got those products from. And so many sellers refuse to take the product back after purchasing it, especially if it is offline. And I have so many products which I purchased online, and the sellers usually refuse to take those back. This app may not be for you if you don't have much time to post on this app, or like it's a little time consuming, but if not, it's definitely perfect and worth giving it a try. So, alright, this is everything you need to know about this app. I hope I've shared each and every detail of this app. Leave a comment if you have any suggestions for my next videos, or if you have any doubts about this app, you can definitely leave a comment and I'll try to reply very soon. Hype this video. There is an option on YouTube called Hype, which helps people discover me more. This would really mean a lot to me. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and share it to as many people as possible so that they can also start doing the side hustle. So, as I already said, you can also check out my description to download the app from that link. That's it for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.